It's coming out.
Hey, John. How's things going?
Oh, just great. I got 3 Chad bodies and 3 widows trying to identify them.
3? Only 3?
From the creator of Prime Suspect and Bella Mafia.
This is all that remains of the truck.
What makes you think this is him?
These effects were found on the body.
Lionsgate Home Entertainment presents Widows. 4 women with nothing in common until their destinies collided.
That's Terry. That's my husband. That's the cop that came to my place.
Now they're going to settle the score.
You think Resnick set them up?
The plan.
I'm suggesting that we steal the Vermeer.
I've never done anything illegal in my life.
It'll be perfect.
The mark.
I found these. Are they still clients?
Mrs. Rollins knows where the paintings are stashed.
The heist.
I think I figured out how we're gonna do this.
Academy Award winner Mercedes Rule.
This is where we'll plan it. In or out.
Academy Award nominee Rosie Perez.
It's amazing what these microphones can pick up.
Brooke Shields.
Oh, it's not another body, is it?
And Boucher Wright.
I'm here to meet Mr. Stein.
Widows. Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned.
You lay a finger on me! I could easily get away with murder here.